Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to your YouTube and open it. And here you just simply select the video which you want to share on Instagram. So I want to select this video, so simply click on the three dot icon in front of the video title. And simply here you just click on share and then copy link and then go back to your Instagram and click on the home page in the bottom left corner of your screen and then click on your story option. Here you just simply select camera and click a picture or upload a picture. It's up to you. I'm just taking a picture. And after that, you just simply swipe up and here you see the link option. So simply click on that and paste that link to this icon and then click on done. That's it. Now you will be able to share YouTube link on Instagram story. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.